এখনো বর্তমানে এবিট আমি দেখিভারির বেঙ্গলোর চাকমা স্টুডেন্ট এসোসিয়েশনে তে এবিট হচ্ছে এই ফুল বিশু দিনুর 13 তারিখ এপ্রিল মাসের এই দিনত হয় চাকমারে আরো চাকমা কোন তাকিনে মন্দির আকৌ উপস্থিত কোন এই জাগানত বেঙ্গলোর কিউবন পার্ক এই জাগানত বিজু সিগন সাগন প্রোগ্রাম পেলাদন এই চাকমাগন এনে আমি দেখি ভারি এবিট বালুক চাকমা কোনো বর্তমানে এবিট প্রোগ্রাম উৎসমার বদি আগনি যিটোর ভারে এজ এই তোমারে আমি লাইভ দিন মারিবং লাইভ দেখে মারিবং কারণ এনডি হলতে এয়ারটেলক জিও এই ফার্কো হাই বিসম্বক নেটওয়ার্ক ইস্যু প্রবলেম চলে সেই কারণে লাইভ দিন মারি চাকমাগো নর মাহবুন হয়তো এবার দেখি ভারত তুমি এবার তারা হয়তো হয়তো বৃত্ত করি নেই যেহেতুবি অন্য তাই ওদালতে বর্তমানে যাই যুগলতন এবার আমার চাকমা হয় কানিক কালচারাল জিনিস দেখি বাদতে সেই ফরান দিয়ে এবার এবার আমার মিউজিক সিস্টেম আর হয়তো একজন এই হাবিডিং যে আগনি এই প্রোগ্রাম হাকন্য প্রোগ্রাম গম দালে সালে বাদতে
everyone today we all are gathering here from different states the corner of Bengal. We are heartily thankful for your presence and on this celebration the Chakma Bisu 2025 you welcome all. Good evening everyone. First of all, give yourself a big round of applause for being here. You all look amazing. My name is Sojak and I am your co-host Binoy Kanti Chakma and we are hosts for this special occasion. One thing remains true, whenever the Chakma go, we don't just represent ourselves, but we carry our culture with us gratefully and yes, proudly. And this is right here, the signing testament, all as you can see here. And yes, as we say, Chakma Sidu, Bisu Sidu, which means wherever the Chakma go, we take our Bisu with us. This is not just a say, but a living truth.
Bisu is not just a celebration unique to the Chakmas. Across different regions, it goes by different names. Bohag Bihu in Assam, Sangken in Arunachal Pradesh, Sangrai in Tripura and many more. It is also very fascinating to see how Bisu shares common trait with the New Year celebrations here in southern India. Puthandu in Tamil Nadu, Vishu in Kerala, and of course Yugadi in Karnataka. Today, these celebrations may come from different, shaped by centuries of cultural exchange.
And yes, it is time to people when come together to celebrate. Traditionally, we begin the Biju, budding the statue of Lord Buddha, offering flower to Buddha, and yes, giving respectful bow to our elders and young star. And yes, visiting 7 houses to eat pajanton, traditionally calendary prepared during Biju. And let me tell you one fact, you all know that we Chakma, when it's come to Biju, when we went 7 houses and have some mix of food, we call this pazon. And that's a cultural belief that it's bringing goodness to us. Am I right?
Once again, wish you all a happy and joyful Bisu.
Well, may this season bring you happiness, peace, and of course the fazon, which is meant by the good out. 1, 2, 3, Bisu! Whoa! Bisu! Whoa!
To mark this beautiful beginning, I now invite our esteemed guests to kindly step onto our stage and join us in kindling a ceremonial flame.
আমি ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দিব না গভর্নরে ব্যাক কোনতে একাদশ জানুয়ারি তো আরেকবার
Sujat
একটা দই ঘুরে এত জোর করে দিলে কম লাগবো যাবা তুলে দিলাম না পুরো আরো সাউন্ড মারি মারি তাহলে আমার উচ্চ দিব ব্যাক শুনে প্রথমে এগুলো এখন ঘুরে যাও Amal. Well, unfortunately, 3 of the cats have not went yet, but we'll wait them. Well, next, we are also honored to have Sir Jivananda Chakma and with us Mahindra Chakma here as our official guest. It is truly pleasure to have with us today, sir.
And of course, a big heartfelt thank to all our supporters, friends and well-wishers who are here today with us. Even we couldn't name you all individually, your presence means the world to us.
Well. It's time to begin the cultural dance, right? Okay, so we request the guests to sit on the right side and the left side. Volunteer, please help.
Isa kun hutusan na, Mar. Isa kun hutusan na.
Sargoy gun ei jaga ei de amononte ei jaga ei de amononte juro juro boyero garo garo ijoro juro juro boyero garo garo ijoro kararo jumusan tumi banano sube sube joni ham ka bananat manantam sube sube joni ham ka bananat manantam ladang ladang so kunai nari majiza ladang ladang so kunai nari majiza oh damo damo lidosa ni murogun ide bakura sun sun ei jaga ei de amononte ei jaga ei de amononte
দেবা হালায় হয় দেও জরদি পিকো দবরের সিং 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 দারু তুলে হয় দেও রিং সিং বজ্র মাদা দিত দিন বজর গুড়ি হেচ্ছে আমার রঙে বিজু দিন বজর গুড়ে
Loke jona, ukun loke jona, jona bege, daba daba ji, ubi loke jona, ukun loke jona, jona bege, daba daba ji, pul bijul pul bara sam samare ji, pul bijul pul bara sam samare ji.
So today we present the cultural heritage of the Chakma people lives in different states of India such as Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Mizoram and many parts of the country and also find in Bangladesh and Myanmar and more. The Chakmas follow Theravada Buddhism and their way of life is deeply rooted in peace, family practices. Most household tools, musical instruments and clothing are made using bamboo, wood and natural fibers. These practices are not only traditional but also sustainable. One of the most important festivals of the Chakma community is Bizu. Celebrated in mid-April, it marks the Chakma New Year and the beginning of the agricultural season. The festival is observed for 3 days with cleaning rituals, offerings to Buddha, cultural performance, and communal meals. It reflects gratitude to nature and a hope for harmony and prosperity. Today's showcase includes authentic traditional items, tools, and figures that are still used or remembered in Chakma community. Each object reflects the community's close relationship with the environment, their values, and their way of life. Let's begin by exploring each item and its cultural significance. First, we have the Hallong, a traditional carrier made entirely of bamboo. It's a beautiful example of Chakma handcraft used to carry vegetables and crops from Jum cultivation. The age-old slash and burn farming method practiced by our people is strong, sustainable and smart, just like the farmers who use it. Next, we have the Hangarong. This is a musical instrument made from bamboo, usually played by youth while resting during Jum farming. It's not just for sound, it carries emotions across hills, especially love songs whispered from one mountain to another. Listen closely, it speaks the language of the heart. Household item, it's either a bamboo swing for children or a tool for filtering grains, passed down from generation to generation. The hula reminds us of simple joys and everyday wisdom. One breath into it and you will feel the calm. It's often played during leisure, meditation, or cultural gatherings like the forest breeze in musical form. Flute is unique to the Chakma people. Its melody is soft, deep, and earthy, connecting the spirit of music with the spirit of the land. Next, we have the Dawa, a traditional bamboo hookah used in community settings. It's not just for relaxation, it's for bonding, storytelling, and slow moments with friends and elders. Coming up is the Mejang, a low platform made of bamboo or wood used for sitting and placing food during meals or rituals. Unlike regular tables, the Mejang brings people closer to the ground and to each other, rooted in tradition. Next, we have female in full traditional attire. Here, you see the full grace of Chakma clothing, from the fabric to the ornaments. This attire speaks of respect, identity, and cultural pride, now presenting the Pinon and Hadi with ornaments. This is traditional Chakma women's attire, hand-woven, vibrant, and elegant. It's paired with ornaments like Tengot Haru, made of bamboo and beads, reflecting beauty in harmony with nature. Emotions through song. Each melody holds history, lives lived, love lost, and lessons remembered. Introducing the Boddo, our traditional doctor. Using herbs, chants, and the power of nature, the Boddo heals with both science and spirit. They have kept generations healthy long before hospitals came. And finally, the Ojapat, the Chakma script. This is our language written down, beautiful, unique, and a treasure of our intellectual heritage. It reminds us of who we are and where we come from. And the last we have Bera, that is a basket, local handmade basket which women use for daily activities.